If you've been following my channel for some time, you know that this curb-find wind tunnel self-propelled is now in essentially perfect condition. Oh, it's got wear and tear on it, but everything works as it should, including the self-propel. However, this blue self-propelled does not. How about we give it the same treatment? One of those, and one of those. I still get an awful lot of questions regarding where I get my supplies. So eBay, 99% of the time, it's eBay. Once in a great while, some specialty store somewhere, online, nothing local. But, a lot of the times, these specialty stores now sell on eBay. So what can I say? I just usually find the best deals on eBay. All right, let's try it out. So let's make sure that self-propel mechanism is okay. All right. I featured this machine in one of the mini-meets with Thomas Rechtenwald a while back, and neither one of us were really that impressed with how well the transmission worked. So hopefully this will make a bit of an improvement. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Alrighty then. That transmission, I don't think it's quite as good as Mr. Purple over here. Put it back together again. Yeah, I think Mr. Purple is a little bit smoother, but blue is rocking now because it was terrible before. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, purple is pretty much wonderfully smooth. I don't know exactly what brand new feels like because I've never had one of these brand new, but purple is really rocking and blue is now into the acceptable range. So guess what I got to do now in a future video? Got so many of these things. Yeah, there is Mr. Leaner. So stay tuned for some type of video featuring that dude about ready to fall over. I do have a belt set though for it.